Hi, this is Kent McNall from Apropos Chess Events, and this short video is going to show you how you can challenge another player for a tournament game on chess.com. It's really quite easy to do, and we'll go through it as quickly as we can, but not assuming that you know how to do too much on chess.com. All right, to get started, you really only need to know one thing, which is the name of your opponent, their online handle, if you will, and you'll find that in the pairings for the round that you're about to play. And that was provided to you as part of your welcome email when you joined the tournament. So, in order to play a tournament game, we'll first need to log in to chess.com, and I logged in already, so I'm already pre-filled in here, but if you're not, then go ahead and log in. In this case, I'm simulating a player named Erebus61 who's going to challenge a player named Gothmog61. Your challenge, of course, will be different. Okay, so once we are logged in, we want to go to Play and Live Chess. Our interface will change, as you can see. And by the way, your screen may look slightly different than mine. I'm on a Macintosh, you might be on a PC. I have a dark background, you might have a light background, etc., but the command should be the same. It's important that not only you, but also your opponent are in the Play Live Chess mode. You can't control if your opponent's in there, but that's where you need to be. And I'll show you what happens if they are not. Okay, once we're here, we want to choose Play a Friend from the right-hand side of the screen, and we're going to choose Custom Game, as you can see. Now, this screen may not look the same because you may have already played a custom game previously, and if you've played a custom game in the same tournament, things like your time control will already be correct, so you'll only have to change a couple of things. So let's change the time control first, and mine says 5 minutes, which is not correct. In fact, the tournament that you're playing in has a time control of game in 90 plus 5-second increment, and that's what we're going to set. So click on the time, whatever it says, and then click on More, because we're going to do a custom setting. At that point, you'll be able to do a custom time, so click on that. And we're going to be concerned with this box and this box. So in the first box, we're going to put in our 90 for 90 minutes. And we're going to skip seconds, but our increment we're going to set to 5 for 5 seconds. So this screen should now look like this, and you'll click OK. As you can see, we have 90 and 5 here, so we're ready to go. Now, we need to change who we're playing. We're not going to play a random player. We're going to put in the name of our opponent, the person that we are paired with in this round. Notice that we can put in the username, the name, or the email. The easiest one is the username. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the person I'm supposed to be challenging, Gothmog61. And if I've typed that in correctly, it will appear just below because the player will be recognized. So I can click and choose that. Okay, we just have one more thing that we need to change, actually 2 more. I'm going to turn rated off if it's on. Notice the slider switch over here. I want the game to be unrated as far as chess.com is concerned. So we click on that. And then we'll choose options. And I want to be the white pieces. The player with the white pieces is the one challenging the player with the black pieces. So I'm going to choose white. And if I'm not the player of the white pieces in this game, I should not be going through this because it's the player of the white pieces who is challenging the player of the black pieces. And when I've got all that set up, I'm going to go ahead and click on play. Now, I'm simulating here that the other player is not online, is not in the proper mode. So let's see what happens when I click on play and the player is not sitting on chess.com in live chess. What will happen is I will get a message in the lower part of the screen that tells me that my opponent is not currently in that mode. Now, what that's going to do, unfortunately, is it's going to make me go through that process again, although some things might be already set. But hopefully your opponent is in the live mode and you won't have to go through that process again. Now, if you continue to have a problem and the player is not in the live mode and you continue to get that message, you need to let me, the tournament director, know about that, and we'll get your opponent to the right place so that your challenge will work. If your opponent is in the correct place, then you'll quickly see that your game will start, your clock will be set to 90 minutes, and it will be your move as the player of the white pieces. Congratulations, that's how you do a challenge. It's very quick and easy.